So this is the Dalet, and the first pronunciation would be da. And you can continue on from there. Let me also very quickly improve my cursor.
Yes.
I think, can you see the cursor is now a little easier to see?
Yes.
So let's go through the pronunciation of our new letter Dalet. Da.
Da.
Okay, continue.
Da. Do.
Yeah.
Do.
Okay. Okay.
De.
Okay.
D.
Very good. For the benefit of new viewers, underneath the letter Dalet, and Joseph, again, let me ask you, do you see this circle around my cursor? Is it helpful?
Yes, it's very helpful, and we can be able to follow up.
So underneath the consonants are the vowels. This is the vowel A, this is the vowel U, this is the vowel O, this is the vowel E, and this is the vowel E. On the next page, we're going to practice several lines of combinations. I will improve the cursor again. Or a space. Are you?
Yes. Hey, you have stopped sharing. Hello.
Oh God.
Hello, sorry for the problem with the system.
Oh, are we still connected? Are you hearing me?
My
okay.
microphone had an issue, but I'm back.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, let's continue with the practice then. One moment.
Yes.
So, can you see the cursor? It's at the first line.
Yes.
Let's try reading the first line then. Da.
Da. De.
Good.
Da.
Yes.
Day.
D.
D.
Yeah. One dot below the letter is E.
Yes.
The next line,
The next line is
do,
do, D,
good,
do,
good,
da,
very good. The next line is do,
do, da, do, do.
very good. Continue.
D,
No, this is de,
da,
de.
or de,
Yeah,
do,
good,
de,
good.
do,
Do.
do.
You'll see that the dot is on top.
Yes.
It's O.
Yes.
The next line,
De,
D.
or D, the de is the one with the 3 dots.
Right.
D,
Good.
do,
Good.
D,
Good.
de.
Very good. The next exercise that we will be doing each time we introduce a new letter is identifying the consonants that we've learned in full review. And this is
Yes.
the worksheet that we've been using. You may recall,
Aleph,
right?
bet,
Right.
vet,
Good.
this is
Gimel.
Gimel.
Right. And today's letter, of course, is the Dalet.
Dalet.
So now we have 5 letters, which we'll review line by line. If you'd
Yes.
like to begin with line 2, give it a try. Aleph,
Aleph, bet, vet, Gimel. I don't remember that letter.
Dalet.
Dalet.
That, right.
The one we have learned today. Dalet,
Correct.
Aleph,
I'll do one for us. Dalet, Bet, Gimel, Aleph, Vet, Dalet. Your turn.
vet, Dalet, Aleph, Dalet, bet, Dalet.
Good. Dalet, Aleph, Gimel, Dalet, Vet, Gimel.
Gimel, Dalet, Dalet, vet, bet, Aleph.
Very good.